I'm Michael Bussmann. I'm currently the founding manager of the Center for Advanced Systems Understanding at Helmholtz Zentrum Dresden-Roffensdorf in Dresden. And I'm the Work Package 7 leader responsible for the application of AI in terms of building a clinical support decision tool. AI gives you access to data that you can't access with standard software, basically. So you can access texts, you can access images, you can access a lot of things that haven't been accessible before. And you can actually also do more things. You can understand how patients vary. You can actually look at individual patients in the end. And this gives you a lot of abilities. It's also a challenge to use AI in a proper way so that it gives us the results we need and that we require. But it's also, of course, in terms of ethical, legal, and other aspects, it's a challenge. And I'm very happy that we have all the people collected within OPTIMA that know what they're doing with AI and have the abilities to work as a team to make use of AI in a meaningful way in healthcare. First of all, I think yes, through real-world evidence. How else? If we just have trial data, if we just have something that's very selective and highly selective, this is not what reflects the real world. And we have to go into the real world to really make a difference. I think AI can help with us. Otherwise, I wouldn't sit here. But I think that's something that OPTIMA might actually prove down the road. So I'm looking forward to it. I think we do not finally have the silver bullet yet, but I'm very optimistic with a project like OPTIMA, we might make a big step forward. First of all, and that's a no-brainer, data. And I think collecting data European-wide or even beyond Europe at one point, this is a very big thing. And so towards sustainability of the platform, this is also something very big. Because the longer we are here, the more data we will collect in the end. The other thing is really making the approach of asking questions to data more formal so that we can understand it in a mathematical way. I'm a physicist and I know that putting something into mathematical rules helps to understand what we're doing, helps to better ask questions finally. And I think that's the other transformation we're gonna see. We're gonna see better questions to data and this will give us more knowledge. So I think AI has the role of transferring or getting knowledge from data. And I think that's one of the big things that OPTIMA can do. It can transform data into knowledge in the end. I think we have seen a tremendous revolution and it's a moving goalpost compared to 5 years ago. And of course, we're still seeing the transfer between what is done at research organizations and research institutes, where we basically showcase what is possible, where we have pilots and put this into real-world practice. This hasn't happened yet, and this transformation will probably happen next, and there's drivers like OPTIMA to do that. But we have to prove that it's actually feasible, because if I do this in a very controlled research environment, I still have all the control, I can do it. And now I'm getting into the wild world. And this is a challenge, but it's also something very rewarding because I will face new challenges. And I will have to tackle those new challenges. And if I do this, I have many more opportunities than ever before. So I'm looking forward to this, but I won't say we're there yet.